I realistically should not be here. What's up guys, welcome back to a brand new video, and today I have some really bad news. I've been away from YouTube for the longest time. As you see behind me, Ruby's there, but she's not how you guys remember. And if you follow me on Instagram, you know the story already, but this is a story on how I destroyed everything I had built for the past 4 years. It is July 5th, 2025, 11:23 p.m. EST. I was driving around a corner. I hit some gravel, went into a ditch, absolutely demolished my car. Actually, this view right here. Oh my lord. My car, and it's just, wow, so good. I don't even know how this happened. Like, that is crazy. Back to Surfside area, go meet up with Jordan, go pick up his.
Drop my phone off my roof and it's kind of obliterated.
Oh my, that is insane to get there, but like, I had to pull over. Just look at that. And the reason I haven't uploaded any scooter videos is I broke my thumb in this crash, and luckily that's all that happened. Because as you can see, the whole windshield is absolutely demolished. The whole A-pillar is absolutely demolished. The roof is demolished. This door is demolished. And if we come over here, the hood is smashed, and this whole fender, driver's side door, the passenger rear door. Oh, there's so much water in my car. No. Well, it's not only just a salvage title now, it's a flood title. All right, as I suck out this inch or two of water out of my car, we're gonna go to Watkins Glen. Ready? 3, 2, 1. Boom, just like that. Sunrise. No.
Yeah, that's a pretty nice sight, man. Out of absolutely nowhere. What? E36 and an M2. What? Yo, what?
That being said, good morning guys. This is definitely a interesting lineup of cars. We have M2s, Carreras, and it's like, look at this garage. It's just cars as far as you can see.
Oh wait, dude,
You're a media too.
no, I just realized.
Whoa.
Dude, I shoot on Canon. I'm wearing a Sony vest. No.
And as you can see, we are trackside, and I mean trackside. We are dead ass right next to the track. Look at that.
These guys are hauling. Not really. This is an intermediate group, but
Like, it's pretty sick. Miles is media guy now. What you got?
Fuji X100.
Hell yeah. I don't know what that is. Alright, I gotta go take some photos. We'll meet back, and I'll show you guys some cars.
real quick, these two GT3RSs are absolutely insane. This thing is so loud.
It is ear-piercingly loud. So we're now at the other side of the track. As you can see, cars are flying by us, and it's honestly so sick. Ash and Miles are very close. You can hear them in the distance. You hear that? That's a 992 GT3 RS.
Look, a super.
992 3 RS right there. Look at that. Dude, that thing is... You can't even hear me. That's how loud it is. Are we getting yelled at? There's security behind me. Uh-oh.
Guys, does it really get better than this? We got the hammock, the guitar, the Ruby, the track, and a beautiful sunset.
This is ending off day one. I will see you tomorrow. Day 2 on the track. I have some very, very unfortunate news. I may have a smile on my face right now because the camera's on, but my thumb is completely broken. I flipped my car last night. I'll put a bunch of pictures here, but it's not good. So like I said, I crashed my car last night, and I've never really talked to you guys like this. I mean, it's tough. I put everything into that car, threw out all the videos, threw out everything. Sorry, can you see that? Yeah. Sorry, I'm on track. There's a bunch of cars whizzing past me. But I completely broke my thumb. I'll put up the x-ray, but this couldn't have gone any worse. I rolled over once. I blew up all the airbags. Ruby is completely and utterly gone. I don't know how many times I've tried to film this. Maybe like 5 or 6 times now. But I keep trying to go the motivational route, or I'm trying to go this route to never give up. But the reality is, I shouldn't be making this video. I realistically should not be here. I should be dead. As you see from Ruby, there's so much damage. And luckily, all that happened is I broke my thumb, and I can still ride scooters fine. Which I'm so grateful for. But at the end of the day, life is short and life is precious. And if it wasn't for this, or even this, you wouldn't know me at all. The few of you that actually do, you wouldn't know me at all. And I would just be another person on this little blue planet. And that's it. But with that being said, this is tough for me, losing Ruby. She was the biggest part of my life and this channel. But genuinely, it's opened my eyes to a lot of things. So Isaiah, I know you're probably watching this again, maybe 5, 10 years, maybe a year in the future, I don't know. All I do know is be grateful for what you have. Because that day, July 5th, you could have died. And that's would have been it. There would be no more videos, no more scootering, no more photography. You would never get to do the things you want to do. Just remind yourself, you're here for a purpose. I mean, she's kind of just gone. Where is she? I mean, you'll fall and fail over and over and over. Yes!
You will never see me stay down. Every single time